Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to download Minecraft for free on Android in 2025. This is the official and legal way to try Minecraft without paying upfront. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, you need to launch your Android phone. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Minecraft. Now, once you search for Minecraft, you will find a bunch of different similar applications. So you need to make sure that you select the official version, which is published by Mojang Studios. As you can see, I have it here. So once you tap on it, you will see that it is going to ask you to pay some money, but we want Minecraft for free, right? So you need to come back here and use the search bar again in order to type Minecraft trial. So once you search for it, you will find the Minecraft trial application. So alongside the paid version, you will see Minecraft trial. So simply tap on the option of install. This gives you access to the game for free, but with limited time and features. So once it is installed successfully, you can open the trial app. You can play the survival mode, test the controls and explore the world just like in the full game. If you enjoy it, you can upgrade directly from the trial to the full paid version to unlock all the features, worlds and multiplayers. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.